joining the call tonight. That is our promo video for EasyBot. And tonight we're going to do a quick presentation, and we'll have a question and answer period. If you have any questions, please raise your hand, and then we will go in order. I don't think you are able to unmute yourself, so please raise your hand. There are a lot of updates this week. We just started trading on Binance as of today, and last week we were actually pre-qualifying a lot of people for the Founders Club. I'll explain all of those, all that as we go. And first of all, we're going to start off with our official company presentation, and this is available for everyone's use. It's you can get a hold of it in the Telegram room. It's in the pinned messages for our Telegram room chat. We'll post the link for that Telegram room in this chat room as well. Okay, so EasyBot, crypto made easy. We are reshaping the future of crypto trading. Our disclosure: all information presented here is for informational purposes only. Presenters are not financial advisors. All the presenters' opinions are their own, and it is not intended to be a substitute for financial investment advice. And the most important statement is that past results are not indicative of future results. I will emphasize this point further as we go into the presentation. This is our story. What do we mean when we say crypto made easy? More than a catchy slogan, this is our mantra, and this is our story. For too many people, crypto can be hard. It can be difficult to learn, confusing to understand, and laden with risk. EasyBot was born from this struggle. During the spring of 2021, CEO and founder Muhammad Ali was confronted with these realities. Having stumbled through his own challenges and losses, he saw the potential of automated crypto trading. He was introduced to a solution which performed well at first. But as the market took a massive drop, everything changed. He and those he introduced to the platform were no longer experiencing the best of crypto and no longer making profits. When problems inspire solutions, genius is born. Unwilling to allow his friends to sit in frustration and panic, Muhammad went to work. Leaning into his professional training as an engineer and his passion for numbers, he began creating a strategy where people were able to get out of trades, even during the downtrend. Excuse me for that. Sorry for that. Oops. So with the help of people in our in the support group, we were able to figure out a strategy to help people come out of trades. And this was done because of the fact that we gave support to all people in our platform. The other platform we were using did not have the support network that was needed in order to help people in this predicament. The market dropped over 50% last year, and a lot of people were stuck in trades. Albert Einstein said, "We cannot solve our problems with the same level of thinking that created them." This is our problem solver, Mr. Muhammad Ali. Oops, I'm going to try to fix this. There we go. He is, in this picture, you're seeing him in the Dubai head office, meeting with leaders from all over the world. We are brainstorming about the vision, the mission, and the values of our company. Our mission: accelerating an easy transition into crypto by providing an opportunity to everyone. Our vision: creating a bridge to the future through technology in crypto. Our values: service, integrity, trust and respect, leadership and commitment, patience, quality of service, and gratitude with consistency. So what is EasyBot? EasyBot is a crypto trading platform, ideal for new traders and perfect for advanced traders. We make investing in crypto easy. EasyBot puts you in full control of your funds. You will see consistent profitable returns. You can trade crypto confidently and build passive income on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, and you can withdraw profits at any time. And the best part is there is no experience needed. We have a one-click strategy set up in the back office. This is the strategy that Muhammad Ali has designed, and because of the strategy, we're able to get out of market drops of 50% or more. And that's what's key about our platform. If we did not have the strategy, then we'd be just like any other bot out there, which performs really well in a bull market. But the fact that we can come out of a bear market and make profits even when the coins are at a low price point is what makes our platform unique. And this strategy was customized by Muhammad based on the story that we mentioned earlier on. The story of us trying to help people on another platform and parameters were limited, and thus Muhammad decided to create his own bot with the parameters settings that he needed in order to mathematically get out of the trade. So this is not based on Fibonacci or support and resistance. It's not based on any indicators. It's based on pure mathematical logic. We also created a video. We also have a video of him showing how the strategy works. So if you want to get a hold of that, it's also in the Telegram chat room in the pinned messages. Okay, so that video explains in detail how the bot trades, how it buys positions, how it sells positions, and how we make profits even in downtrending market. One of the most important features about our platform is that we do not close trades unless it's in the profitable zone. Okay, so whenever a coin is initiated, whenever a trade is initiated, if the coin goes up, we will close that trade according to the parameters. If the coin goes down, we will hold that trade and we will buy another position. And if it continues to go down, we'll continue to buy more positions, and we will dollar cost average those positions into one position. And then, if the coin goes back up, we will close all of those positions at once, and then all the profits and the funds will be put back into your balance. And then the next series of trades is initiated. Okay, so every time a new series is initiated, we're compounding the growth by adding the profits to our bottom line. So that's what we mean when we say we have automatic compounding in this platform. Something I've never seen on any other platform I've traded. I've traded about 7 bots last year, and this feature was not in any of them. We can automatically compound our earnings on every closed trade. So what that means is that let's say we allocate $1,000 for a coin. Let's say we're trading Bitcoin. Every time a series of trades are initiated, we will take 3.3% of that 1,000 and initiate the first trade. So 3.3% of 1,000 is $33. If the coin goes up, we will close that trade, and the profits will be added to our $1,000 balance. So it will go to 1,001, and then we'll initiate the next trade, and we'll take 3.3% of 1,001. So that'll be a little more than $33. $33, maybe 10 cents. And if the coin goes down, we will initiate another $33.10 trade. If it goes down further, we'll take a $66.20 trade for doubling down and then dollar cost averaging. And as soon as the coin reaches that dollar cost average price, it will go above that 1.5% and then have a little retracement and close out that series of trades in profit. Okay, so then now your 1,000 is going to 1,005 and then 1,010, and then every new series of trades that starts, we are taking 3.3% of the total balance. So 3.3% of 1,010 is going to be maybe $34 per trade. So that's how we're automatically compounding the growth in our account. And this is done on a trade closing basis, not just on a daily or weekly basis. It's on a trade closing basis, which is absolutely incredible for our platform. Okay, the settings in the back office are customizable for advanced users, but the one-click strategy is meant for the majority of people to use. We expect about 98% to stay with the one-click strategy, which was devised by Muhammad Ali, and it's devised to sustain a market crash. We can sustain over a 50 to 60% drop in the market, and if it continues to drop even further, we can still adjust the parameters enough so that we can sustain even further drops in the market. Okay, but for the most part, a 50 to 60% drop in the market was experienced last year. And with our coins, we're able to, with that strategy, the one-click strategy, we're able to get out of the trade. We have backtesting data for all the coins we trade, and that will be provided in the back office, on the bot platform. Okay, and these settings in the back office are fully customizable for people that love to day trade or swing trade. So they can be customized to their liking, and then if they come up with a great strategy, they can present their strategy to the owners. And if they think it's a great strategy, we will put it to the back office as an option for someone else to use. And if anybody uses your strategy that you come up with, you will get a piece of the profits. So a great way for us to involve the community, experiment with the parameters. But like I said, 98% of the people will stick to the one-click strategy, which will work for us even in big downtrends in the market. Getting started is easy. We're starting with 2 exchanges. We just launched Binance today. And then we're also starting Coinbase Pro within the next 2 days. And then all you have to do is set up an account in those exchanges. Set up a Binance account or a Coinbase Pro account, get it verified, add funds to the USDT coin in Binance.com and add funds to the USDT or USDC coin in Coinbase Pro. Okay, so for Coinbase Pro, we're allowing two different coins to be used. That's because certain states do not allow USDT. Okay, so USDC is an option. So once you have your exchange account verified and funded, all you have to do is attach the API connection from the bot platform. Because one thing we have to distinguish is that there are two distinct platforms. One is your trading account platform where all of your funds remain, and the other is the bot platform where the bot parameters are set. And with an API connection, the bot will trade for you on your exchange. It cannot withdraw funds on your exchange. Okay, that's very important. The only place the bot can withdraw funds is on the bot platform itself. So when the bot receives its service fees, which I'll get into in a few slides from now, that's the only place it can withdraw the service fees for the profitable trades that take place in your exchange. Okay, so once you have everything set up, the API connection set up to the exchange, you go back to your back office in the bot, you select the exchange that you're trading on, you select the coin you want, and you allocate the amount you want to trade for that particular coin, and then you hit go. And that's it. All the other parameters are set for us, and this is set so that it can withstand huge market crashes and still make profits for all of us. So that is the one-click strategy setting that Mohammed has created and available for every single person on the platform to use. Okay, so this is 24/7 automated crypto trading, and there's that one-click strategy in the back office. We're automatically compounding our earnings, and of course there are features on the back office that are customizable for advanced users. This is perfect for small accounts and amazing for large accounts. We expect to see millions of dollars traded on this platform using our strategy and using EasyBot. Best part is we can get started for free. There are 3 packages. The free package allows you to trade 2 coins on one exchange, and there is a 30% software service fee. So software service fee is the fee that the bot takes for all profitable trades that take place on your exchange. So for example, if there's a $10 profitable trade taking place on your exchange, there will be a 30% fee from that will be withdrawn from the bot platform, which will be $3. So all of these service fees are collected and added up and put into paying out the compensation plan, which I will show you in the next slides. The second package is the advanced package, which is $250 a year, and that allows you to trade 10 coins on 2 exchanges, and there is only a 20% software service fee on this package. And the last package is the $9.95 package, which allows you to trade all the coins and trade on all 5 exchanges when we have them all available. But in the month of April, we're going to be adding at least 1 more exchange, possibly 2. So I think in about 60 days, we'll have 5 exchanges all ready to go for everyone to use. Okay, so these are 3 available packages right now. Let's go right into the compensation plan before we go into the question and answer. There is a 2-tier affiliate program for all bot package sales. So what that means is that if anyone signs up on your link and they sign up on a paid package, you will receive 40% of that. So for a $250 paid package, you're going to receive $100. For a $9.95 VIP package, you're going to receive 40% of that, which is $3.98. And on your second level, if anyone purchases the advanced package, you're going to receive 10% of that, which is $25. And if they purchase the VIP package on your second level, you're going to receive 10% of that, which is $99. So this is a 2-tier affiliate program for the bot package sales, and this is yearly. So you're going to receive this every year when your downline repurchases their bot packages. Okay. So this is the 20-level compensation plan for all the software service fees. Remember, the software service fees are the fees that we give the bot for all profitable trades that take place on your exchange. Remember, there are 2 different platforms. One is your exchange where all the trading takes place, and the other is the wallet where we adjust the settings and we pay the bot the service fees. So all of the service fees are collected and then dispersed in this compensation plan as follows. The first 5 levels are 8% payout. Level 6 to level 18 are 1%. Level 19 and level 20 are 0.5%. So this is a compensation plan where you have to be in action, meaning the only way you open up these levels is as you continue to sign people directly on your link. Each person you sign up on a paid package opens up 2 levels of commission. commissions. So, for example, if you sign up 5 people directly on your link with a paid package, you're going to open up 10 levels of compensation. There is no breakage to the company. A great incentive for everyone to keep in motion. The company has set up a rule where all of your potential earnings will be held for you if you do not open up all of your levels on time. So what that means is that if you sign up somebody directly on your link and they open up all their levels by building a huge organization, since you only signed up one person, you're only privy to the first 2 levels of compensation. But all of those earnings below will be held for you in escrow. It'll be held for you in your asset file in the wallet of the bot. And then as you continue to build your organization, as you continue to sign people directly on your link, you'll open up 2 more levels. And then eventually you get to 10 levels, and all of those earnings will be put back into your wallet as you continue to open the levels. So this is great. There is no breakage to the company. And this slide here is explaining this in detail, giving you guys an example of how that works. There is no lost commission. And I haven't seen this on another platform in terms of bot trading. There is also a matching bonus for the software service fees. There is a 2-tier compensation for this. On your first level, if anyone receives, let's say for example, they earn $10,000 in their organization in a given month on the software service fees, you'll receive an 8% check match of that, which is $800. And on your second level, if someone, let's say they earn $10,000 in a given month for software service fees, you're going to receive a 3% check match of that, which is $300. And this can be very lucrative, as you can tell, as you continue to build your organization, as you open up your levels of compensation for the software service fees, your level 1 and your level 2 is going to get bigger and bigger. And this check match is going to grow as you continue to build your organization. Okay, so another incentive that is happening right now is the Founders Club. We have started the pre-qualifications of this last week, on Thursday, Friday, and what you have to do is you have to set up your organization according to this image here. Your position on top has to have 3 people directly signed up on your link with a paid package, and those 3 people have to have 3 people signed up directly on their link on a paid package as well. If you achieve this structure and your position itself is upgraded to a VIP package, you will pre-qualify. The word is pre-qualify for 1/1000th of a share of the Founders Club. This is significant because the company is setting aside 5% of the total gross sales every single month into this pool. And as you can tell, as the company grows, this 5% pool is going to continue to grow bigger and bigger every month. So 5% of total gross sales, what does that mean? So imagine a $9.95 package comes in. 5% of that is $45. That $45 is thrown into this pool. If a $250 package comes into the company, 5% of that is $12.50. That's going to be put into the pool. And as well as the software service fees. So remember the 30% and the 20% that's collected for all profitable trades? 5% of all of those fees that are collected is also going to be put into this pool. So as you can see, this is going to continue to grow and grow every single month. And we expect this to eventually be retirement income for those that are part of the Founders Club. You have to maintain this structure in order to continue to earn from the Founders Pool. But to fully qualify for this Founders Club, you have to have all 13 people in this structure trading a minimum of 600 by the end of April. So right now we can pre-qualify by having the bot package sales for each of these people. But by April 30th, you need to have every single member in this organization trading a minimum of 600 in their trading account. And then once that's achieved, you will be fully qualified as a founder. So once a founder, always a founder, meaning that in a given month, let's say in the future, in a given month, one of your legs decides to stop trading and you do not qualify according to the structure. During that month, you will not be participating in that 5% pool. So it will be given out to the 999 people that may have had the same structure maintained. But the following month, if you come back and you restructure and have this set up properly, you will still continue to earn on that 5% pool. Okay, so you can always be a part of this. So the best part now is to get your teams ready and pre-qualify, and then of course fully qualify by the end of April. We're giving it till the end of April because we want to add another exchange. There are a few countries in this world that cannot use Binance and Coinbase Pro, so we needed to add another exchange for them to use. At least 3 exchanges will be finalized by the end of April, and hopefully 4. Okay, so the Founders Club is a very lucrative incentive for the early movers of this company, and the company wanted to reward the people that helped us at the beginning. And lifetime income can be realized with this Founders Club tool. Okay, so let's go into the question and answer. If there are any questions, please raise your hand or ask the questions in the chat. Bridgie, anybody with questions right now?
Renee ended up answering the question about the having BNB if you have finance and the amount that you should, the recommended amount. Oh, you can't unmute yourself. Hold on, Peter.
That's our code sign. Yeah, you can keep me as co-host now because I'm not reading anything. So. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so one of the questions about the BNB. So when you're trading on Binance, you're also asked to put a certain amount of funds in the BNB coin because Binance takes its transaction fees from the BNB coin. And our bot is programmed so that we're giving you guys the discount by using BNB. Okay, so by using BNB, we're going to be taking only 75% of the fees, when you're saving 25% on the transaction fees. Okay, so that is important. I want to make sure all the leaders tell your teams that you have to have a certain amount of funds in BNB, maybe $5, $10, or even $20 will last you 3-4 months of trade. It's okay. So the fees are taken out on all closed trades. So that's how that works. The exchange account is different from the bot account, and the bot account has the reserve funds for us to take out the software service fees. Okay, so who else has a question? I think Paulette had a question. You want to unmute her?
Yes. And Dave is on the call, by the way.
Oh, nice. What's up, Dave?
Hi, David.
Hey, guys. Good evening.
Good evening. Good morning for you. Paulette, you can unmute yourself.
Oh, hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. There's some background noise, so I'm having a hard time hearing. That's better. So one of the questions you said was the pool that you're developing. You said something about you pay on all profitable trades, but does it offset the losing trades before it pays, or do you pay on all the profitable trades? And
we don't. Yeah, that's a good question. We don't close trades in a losing position. We just hold them until they reach the profitable zone, and then they close the trade. So the bot is designed to even make profits for you even as the coin goes down. So we're making small profits as we go, and all of those profits accumulate and gets added to the dollar cost average price to bring it down, and half of it is used and put into your USDT balance. So you're going to see a lot of trades occur even in a downtrending market. We only close out trades in profit. Does that make sense, Pauletta?
So it's doing buys and sells?
It does buys and sells, but they're all long positions.
They're all what?
Long positions. We're not short selling.
They're all long, okay.
Yeah, they're all long positions, yeah. So even in the
how do you do a sell as a long?
So, yeah, it's just like selling the coin. We're buying and then we're selling the coin. That's all it is. But when you take a sell position, it's like just shorting the position. That's something different.
Right. Okay, so you're not doing shorts.
We're not doing shorts, that's right.
So how are you making profits when the market goes down?
Okay, good question. So as the market goes down, we're able to grid trade, which is taking independent positions, and all of these independent positions can close out on profit on their own. And what the strategy does is that if the coin goes down, we'll take all these little independent profits at the lower price points. Half of those profits are used to bring down the dollar cost average price at the top, and the other half is put into your USDT balance as profits. So we're always in motion. The bot is always working. And as the dollar cost average price comes down, the bot just has to go up to that point and then reach out 1.5% profit for the retracement and close out the whole series of trades. Does that make sense, Paulette?
So it'll wait until it's at 1.5% profit. So is there a way if you wanted to force quit a trade and get out, you could do that, or?
You can absolutely do that, but we wouldn't. If you force the trade and if it's in a downward position, the coin's a downward position, you'll take a loss. That's if you manually close it. But the bot is designed to get out of the trade, so that let the bot work for you, and then eventually we'll get out of the trade. Because it's making so many different positions at the lower price points, it's taking a lot of buys and sells. So we're accumulating small profits, and all those profits, or half of the profits, are used to bring down the big price that we have as a dollar cost average price. And then as soon as the bot gets to that point, it'll close out the whole series of trades, and then start a brand new series again.
And then, are you ever going to do forex trading, or is it just going to be crypto?
It's just going to be crypto for now. I don't think we're going to get
forever,
to forex.
Never, amen.
Yeah, then it's going to be using margin accounts and leverage trading. It's just too risky.
Well, that was my other question: is do you do leverage trading?
No, we don't. We don't.
Not leverage.
That's too risky. Yeah, it's too risky. Spot trading is safe. We're holding our positions in the coins if it goes down, and just closing them when it reaches our profit zone.
Okay.
Great question.
So
Great questions, Paulette.
you are taking ownership of the coins then.
That's right.
And not just trading on the movement.
That's right. That's right. You hold.
I have some other questions, but they've left me. So if they come back to me, I'll raise my hand again. I couldn't figure out how to raise my hand here.
That could be challenging. I don't know if I can show you here. I don't think I can show you how to do it. Okay.
Paulette, are you on a computer or are you on a phone?
I'm on a computer.
If you go on the if you move your cursor and you go to reactions, and then you can raise your hand.
Oh, I see it. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Awesome. Any other questions, Breezy? Before we have David come in and say hello and give us a little bit of update of where things are.
Let's have David do that, and then check your chat, please.
Okay, come on in, David, if you're free.
Wait, did we? I think we
you
lost
might have
David.
Oh, did we? Okay.
Yeah, we lost David.
No problem. Check and see if there are any other questions in the chat, or anybody has. They can come in by raising their hand. Okay, so if not, we are ready to, get going with this. We have finance started, and a lot of people have set up their accounts. There are some issues because of the fact people have not put any funds in their BNB coin. That is a must for finance.com trading for us, okay? The bot is programmed to use BNB as the transaction fees. So please make sure that everyone in your team has some funds in the BNB coin, okay? I think Paulette has another question. Come on in, Paulette, if you can unmute. Paulette, easy.
Okay. Yeah, so what are you've got 21 coins you're trading. What are they? Are they all?
So they've been pre-selected as the highest traded and most volatile coins and the safest for our structure. They've been back-tested for the last year and a bit, and we have all that information available. We'll have it all available in your back office post-launch, which is going to be either end of this week or early next week for all that information.
Okay. And then it's everything on the Tron network right now, and then it's going to be the ERC network.
Okay, so we are trading the USDT coin in Binance, and you can trade the USDT coin or the USDC coin in Coinbase Pro.
Okay, and then there'll be a list of others.
So the coins itself are listed in the bot platform, and when you go to set up your coins, you'll see the whole 20 coins there. We also have that list available in the Telegram group. They're pretty much the most popular coins that are used in the exchanges. So you're going to see Aave, you're going to see XRP, you're going to see all the main coins.
Okay. Is Bitcoin one of them?
Yes, it is. Bitcoin, Ethereum are part of it.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Awesome. Good questions, Paulette. All right, Breezy, any other questions right now?
Besides requesting a demo, which I don't know if you want to do now or if we're going to say that for the 11 a.m. calls.
demo. I don't have my account set up properly because my Binance got shut down 3 days ago, unfortunately. I live in Ontario, and they got a hold of the people that were trading using their APIs, so they shut me down, so I have to wait for Coinbase Pro. So, are you showing a demo right now?
I can, real quick.
Go ahead, please.
So, this is the dashboard that you'll see once you log into your EasyBot account. You can maneuver through here for your affiliate center and my profile. So just real quick, in my profile, you can see your name, who sponsored you, as well as your affiliate link that you can copy and send to somebody. This is one way. If you want to make any changes, you're able to do so here and click on Save. To go back to the dashboard, you can go to My Affiliate Center, My Organization. You can also click on here and it automatically, if you can see right here, it saved it so you can send it that way as well. You can also click on My Organization, which will show who or what your downline is. So level 1 is My Direct. And here you see the breakdown of active members, non-active members, and who purchased what package. This is going to be updated to where the people who purchased the package will show here as well. Here you can see the total amount of people that you have already in your complete team. Again, the active members will show once that has been updated. The rank as well. And then to see more of your downline just by numbers, the names are going to be removed, but right now they're still showing if you click on the number, on the blue number. But you can see your downline by clicking on each level. And then you can also see how many lines down you've gone down to 20. Another place you can go is here. These two lines is where your menu is. So you'll see you have your bot management, my affiliate center, upgrade subscription, my wallet, my profile, and if you want to change your password. So once you have funded the bot, so for the members who are starting off, you'll see add funds. So to add funds, you can click on that button, but then you can also click on deposit if you need to. And here are the rewards that you'll receive, and you can see from someone trading, you get the 20%. This is the service fee. The service fee from the deductions from all the trades that it took. This also shows you the overall, and then you can break it down into what you deposited, the purchase, a package, the service fees, which is what I was showing you in the original all, the affiliate commissions, as well as the match bonus if you have any at the time. Here's where you can also withdraw, which it has to be submitted prior to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for a 24-hour turnaround time for it to be deposited, because it has to be done manually at this time. You cannot withdraw less than $25, and you cannot withdraw more than $9.99. So if you do have, let's say, $2,000, you can't submit more than one transaction back to back. It's just that there's a maximum of $9.99 per transaction, and it is a 2 USDT TRC20 processing fee. You would then put your TRC20 network USDT address here and click withdraw, and then it will prompt you to get an email. And then from that email, you'll put the code that is sent to you via email. And that's how you would withdraw. To upgrade, you're not going to see, well, I guess you can see the options here. Didn't realize it. So if you're in a free package, you can upgrade right here to the 250 Advanced or upgrade to the VIP 995. If you have the 250 and you're like, yes, I'm definitely wanting to go to the VIP to trade all 21 tokens, you can upgrade and you'll pay the difference. That's going to be prorated depending on when you select to upgrade. So if it's immediate, then it's going to be $7.45, the difference. And your your upline will receive the difference for the commission comp plan. That is that portion. And for the bot itself, if you want to connect your API, you would add user exchange. You can name it. Right now, Binance is the only one available. Once Coinbase is, then you'll be able to click on Coinbase. You can name it whatever you want, but this is where you would put your API key and the secret key that is constructed once you click on the API on your exchange, and you just have to copy and paste it. Make sure that you do have the trading option marked and checked off, because otherwise you will not be trading if it's not marked. And then you click save. You can go back to the bot, and then you click on bots, and here's where you can add it. So this is the one I currently have. I'll go into that one in just a second. So if you did want to add a coin, you would title it whatever you want. In the sense, normally the coin that you want to choose. Click on Binance, and then here are the tokens. USDC is going to be available for trading pair if you're on Coinbase Pro, because some places in the States, and I'm not sure exactly which countries, do not offer USDT for Coinbase Pro holders, so you have the option to trade with USDC in Coinbase Pro. So let's just say we have XRP, I would title it XRP, or whatever you really want to title it, up to you. You can do cycle or single strategy, as Peter was mentioning. If you wanted to stop trading in a coin, you would put it in single strategy, save it. Once it closes in profit, you can delete that bot and then start a new one. Here's where you would put the amount, where right now it's set for 1,000, and it automatically has the initial order for it to trade with every time it buys, however many percentages or times it has here. So it is already preset for the default, which is already checked off. If you are an advanced trader, you can make adjustments here. This is, of course, at your own risk, as well as if you do not know what you're doing because you're new, I wouldn't recommend defaulting from the default strategy. It is already selected for auto compounding, which means that when the bot closes in profit, it's automatically going to compound here. For the most part, honestly, that is it, and it's easy. Now, I do want to mention something because we're calling it EasyBot. EasyBot itself is phenomenal and easy to use. Now, the exchanges that we're having to attach to, for example, Coinbase is a little more challenging. So when people are like, well, it's not easy, EasyBot itself is easy. The exchanges that we have to connect to sometimes, for example, Coinbase, because a lot of people are not very familiar with that platform. Binance is extremely easy to use as well if you're able to use Binance. Go ahead, Peter.
Awesome, Reese, great demo there. Thank you for sharing that. I think Paulette has a question. Do you want to unmute her?
Absolutely. Come on in, Paulette.
Okay, me again.
I think everyone's enjoying your questions, so bring them on.
Okay, so can you go back to that screen, because that reminds me of the thing I wanted to ask. Are you using Coinbase or Coinbase Pro?
Coinbase Pro is the only one you can use because Coinbase doesn't have the capability of having an API key. However, you have to have Coinbase in order to have Coinbase Pro.
Oh, right, okay. And then I saw somewhere in there where you said to put in your private key. And
correct.
I've taken classes, and so they've said to never, ever, ever, ever share your private keys.
Well, you're not sharing it with, don't share it with someone else. But to connect the bot, you're going to have to input that information in the exchange request. So you have to put it in here, otherwise you won't be able to trade. What they're saying is don't share your private key. It means don't share it with someone else because they can use it and then connect their bot with it and use the money that is actually yours.
Yeah, it's just about putting it into a database. So, like, you don't have to have your private key to trade.
Yes, you do.
Well,
Not your private key, your API key, which connects the bot to the exchange. Not your private key, but
Right.
even your API key you want to safeguard. But you're going to have to connect it one way, because if you don't connect it, then you're not going to be able to trade with the bot.
This is different than the private keys of a wallet. This is a API.
okay. Okay. I thought you were talking about the private wallet keys. Okay.
No, it's not. Something different. So these are the
Okay.
API keys that are needed for the exchange to be connected to the bot. So there's an API key and there's a secret key, and both are available on the bot and on the exchange interface, where you'll click on API management in Binance.com. In Coinbase Pro, I don't know what you have to click on. I'm sure it's the same thing, probably API management as well, to get the keys. Awesome. Good question, Pauline. Hi. I think Carter. Hi, Carter. You want to come in? You have to unmute him, I believe.
Yeah, can you hear me?
There you go. Go ahead.
Yeah, concerning the coins and the bots, so it seems like every time we trade a coin, we have to create a bot for it.
Correct.
Yes. So each coin. Sorry. Go ahead, please. Yeah.
No, go ahead. You were muted, so I wasn't sure if you could answer. Go ahead.
Yeah. Each bot is a coin. So that's how you have to look at it. That's right. You can also trade the same coin on two bots if you wanted to experiment with strategies. So for example, if you have, let's say you have $2,000 in your USDT balance in Binance. If you wanted to trade Ethereum, you can trade it twice. You can put 1,000 towards Ethereum on one bot and another 1,000 towards Ethereum on the second bot. But you've allocated the amounts, which is good. On the first Ethereum, you can use the one-click strategy. On the second Ethereum, you could try a different strategy to see how the points perform. So that's available to you as well. Does that make sense, Carter?
Yes. Yes, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. All right, Breezy, we're getting close to the top of the hour. Unless there's any other questions, we can pretty much end the call.
No other questions at this time. We do have a support call Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have the overview and question and answer session 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. We also have Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At this time, Coach is doing the presentations with anyone of the national directors and or David, Peter, Mohammed coming on the calls. And we just added the tonight, which is Tuesday and Thursday, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The schedule is going to fluctuate a little bit due to the fact that we have national directors who are English-speaking presentations that you can join other than us that have been doing it for everyone in the past couple of weeks. So there'll be more opportunities in different languages, in different locations, different times to accommodate more people. And that's what Peter really wanted to do, was to accommodate the West Coast and other countries where the times that we're doing it is the middle of the night for them or too early in the morning. But we do have Howie with his hand up, so Howie, come on in.
Awesome. Can you hear me, Breezy?
Yes, Howie, we can hear you.
Awesome. Thank you so much for the presentation, Breezy's and Peter's and all the people set it up. And this is really great, guys. And I just had one question for you about the trading and the easy bot trading. Is that mean that they close the trade every single day, or they close it every other day? So how is that? How does that work?
So
Howie,
go ahead.
Sorry, how they can close multiple trades on a given day. It all depends on how volatile the market is. It could even take one day for a trade to even close. But I've seen trades close 3 or 4 times in an hour. Right? It all depends on how volatile it is.
Oh, okay. So based on depends on how volatile that day is, and the more volatile, the more that they're going to trade and stuff like that, right?
That's right. We get more trades in, and then the bot continues to work, and then that's what we want. We want to see lots of volume. We want to see lots of volatility, so that we can buy and sell on and on. That's what we want.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Because I tell you that this is really, really amazing because based on what I saw for the last couple of days, what is 9 days of the NASA Direct actually trading, is phenomenal stuff. So I think that this thing will skyrocket in the next about couple of years from now. So we are just coming together, go out there, folks, share with other people that what we have for now. I truly believe that this is one of the best out there for a long time. So based on what I saw and all the guys actually working together and get that thing work. So I'm looking forward to it, Peter.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Howie. Great to hear from you. Howie's a great leader in San Diego, I believe. That's where he lives. I've had the pleasure of talking to him, and I had the pleasure of talking to him and his team, and some wonderful people that are really looking into this program and getting involved. So we look forward to working with you, Howie and Sydney and Annette. We have a great team there. We have a lot of support for everyone. That is very, very important to us, is the support. And because Eazy and I are heading the support throughout the world, we are going to make sure that everyone is taken care of. That is our goal. It doesn't matter where you are, what team you're on. We're going to make sure that everyone's taken care of, Howie. So you get our full support. Don't worry. Don't worry about that.
Right. No, I think right now, based on what I saw, you guys, and I think we have like about 20, 25 people on the Zoom call right now. And based on what I see for the last about 2 weeks that I'm in with Peters and stuff, and they do what they say, guys, and that's exactly what we are about. And in order for the companies to actually go to the next level, we gotta have customer service. And they are doing it, they are doing all kinds of stuff to really get this thing going. And I feel really, really confident with that. And it's just a matter right now. I really encourage the people on the call right now that you guys, we all went through stuff for the last couple of years and, talk to some folks out there and the news they use and all that. You guys really need to sit down and write out the goal and the plans of what you really want to do. And plug it in, and I think what we have right now is really sky's the limit. That's how I see it, But thank you, Peter.
Thank you very much, Howie. Breezy, it's all yours, my dear.
One more thing, Angie, thank you for the question. For the VIP package, you will be able to trade 21 bots/coins. So every coin that you trade is considered a bot. But because we're trying to streamline and make sure that everything is good to go, right now, if you're in a free package, you can trade only one, which isn't going to start until the 31st of March for those who have the free package that can trade up normally to 2. Right now, they're only going to be able to trade 1. If you're an advanced package currently trading, you're restricted to 2 tokens. And then if you're a VIP holder that you're currently trading now or whenever Coinbase is available, which is supposed to be tomorrow or Thursday, we're waiting on further information about that, you'll be able to trade 10 coins/bots. So when we say coin or token or bot, that is one entity. So one coin is actually one bot if you're trading it, and coin and token are interchangeable depending on who you talk to. But other than that, if there are no more questions, and I know we keep saying that, but we love the questions. We do love the questions because it betters the information that the rest of the members are getting